Hello, Percy. Lovely evening. What's the matter, Percy?
Nothing. It's better than it has been. Oh, these nights are drawing in. You know, Thomas, I woke up after a quick 40 winks a few days ago and just felt heavy. Well, I can understand that, Percy. Besides, you are a full-size, standard-gauge saddle tank engine. As soon as I realised I wasn't physically unwell, I just knew it was going to be a difficult time. Oh, I don't know. I mean, I wish I knew. I don't want to be scrapped, but I do want to just sleep all day. Many people are fond and love you, Percy. Do you not feel the same way? What am I even doing? What is my purpose? The same purpose as mine, Percy. To do a great job on the North Western Railway, the greatest, friendliest, most scenic railway in the world, where there is seldom confusion or delay. It's good to be reminded of our purpose sometimes. I feel really down. Maybe on a selfish note, but I'm happy and relieved that you're talking to me about it. That being said, advice based on personal experience may appear to be useful, but you need to speak with several people to find out who can be of the most help. I'll do my best in the meantime. I am sorry, Percy. Nothing I do is good enough. I don't feel useful. Why's that? Would it make any difference if I wasn't here? Do you believe everything you tell yourself at night? What use am I? Am I just meant to be a machine? Are other people's fortunes as fortunate as you think? Are the bad things as bad as you think they are? This weather is depressing as well. How do you distract yourself? At least you'll get to do the post train. What's the point in everything? I think everyone needs to alter how we talk about mental health, or at least a lot of people. All the more so as discrimination and fear keep people from meeting their needs. I've just got a feeling of hopelessness and emptiness. It's difficult to be able to function normally. Oh yes, depression can cause far more than just emotional pain. It can also affect your belief in your worth. I mean, believe it or not, I understand it, Thomas. I feel bad for you too, considering that one of the most difficult parts of being a friend to someone with poor mental health is their refusing to discuss their problems, but I'm trying. Thank you, Thomas. Still, others have trouble recognising when they have a problem and need help. So well done you. I was thinking of not telling anyone about my issues because I feel as though I'm letting everyone down. Friends are there for each other when no one else will listen. Everyone deserves those kind of buffers. So let me remind you, it's good to have someone in your life who will listen and support you while realising your needs to keep this secret. I'll always be willing to fight on your behalf, Percy, even if or when you refuse to do so yourself. Thank you, Thomas. This has really helped simply just talking about it. You're not only a great friend, but you give good ideas, and you're a really good listener. Thank you.